The PGDM program might seem like a tool for personal and professional development limited only to 2 years. But the PGDM program at Vivekanand Business School opens up opportunities for lifelong learning, valuable friendships, and a strong network. Hi, my name is Digvijay Hande and I am from Kolhapur. I am currently studying in first year of PGDM program at Vivekanand Business School. VBS maintains a robust and dynamic relationship with academia and professional world, which is amplified by the frequent presence of esteemed business leaders on campus as guest speakers. I was pleasantly surprised by the number of conferences and workshops the institute hosts. It includes topics like data visualization, storytelling through Power BI, retail design, fintech, visual merchandising, and many more. We had the chance to hear directly from business leaders, work closely with our classmates, and engage in healthy discussion in topics related to management. The institute hosts a week full of these workshops in which like-minded individuals come together to discuss, debate, and celebrate important topics. My expertise in management disciplines increased significantly, thanks to the advice I gained from accomplished speakers who shared their practical experiences, passions, and ongoing projects. These interactions gave me a fresh viewpoint for opening up new avenues and stoked my desire for excellence in everything I do. The insight I attained has emphasized the value of holistic business prowess, a lesson that I hold in high regards as I navigate through complex landscape of today's business world. I'm thankful to VBS for all the support and guidance, and I highly recommend this institute for anyone who is planning for an MBA.